Hello, welcome to another dynamic do-it-yourself video. And today we are going to make hand sanitizer, a scented hand sanitizer from scratch. We will need rubbing alcohol, aloe vera gel, and a selection of essential oils. And we're going to make a fall scented hand sanitizer. Let's get started. In a small bowl, we will first add 2/3 cups of rubbing alcohol and 1/3 cup of aloe vera gel. Now, if you are familiar with some of my videos on bargain shopping, you can find aloe vera gel and alcohol for $1 at many bargain stores like the 99-cent store, the Dollar Tree. You can buy it in bulk at a lot of different places. The higher content for your alcohol is preferred. I'm using 70% alcohol, but 99% will kill more germs. I'm going to use a butter knife here to get the rest of my aloe vera gel out. Okay, there we go. Now we're going to mix this well until there are no more lumps of gel. Because I'm using 70% alcohol, I will add an extra bit of strength to germ killing powers using an antimicrobial essential oil. I'm using cinnamon leaf. And the combination, because I'm making a hand sanitizer that has the scents of fall in it, I'm using cinnamon and orange. And I'm going to use a combination of these up to 10 drops. So I will use many drops of my cinnamon. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. Okay, I'm giving 7 drops of the cinnamon. And I'm adding about 3 drops of my orange. Freehanding it here. Oops, there we go. Okay, then I mix it up. Now, because this is all your ingredients and it's not manufactured in a store where everything will be thoroughly manufactured mixed, your ingredients will separate if it just sits. So anyway, I am using an old container here I use for soap, and I will basically fill up my container. I hope you can see that. There. Okay, I'm going to fill up my container here with my sanitizer. Okay, that's it. There you go. Give it a couple of good shakes. And you could have this around during the holidays. Put it someplace where people want to clean their hands, and you have a nice cinnamon orange scent, and you made your own sanitizer. If you don't want to put it in a container like this, you can also put them in these little containers here. You've seen one of my earlier videos on how to refill these containers. You can apply that strategy to this, and you have created your own scent and your own hand sanitizer using only 3 ingredients. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. If you like what you saw, hit that subscribe button, and until next time. Hit that subscribe button, and until next time.